Hi, my little library friends. Welcome to the Indian Head Library's Tumblebooks story time. Today's story is about a little boy who wonders what it would be like to be something different than who he is. Maybe he would like to be a lion or a bumblebee. But then he finds out that who he is who he is supposed to be, and that he's special just the way he is. And the story is called For Just One Day. And the next screen that you see will have instructions for the adult who's with you. So you enjoy the story, and then you come back to me and I'll show you a little craft you can make so that you can see just how special that you are. Enjoy the story. Welcome back. Did you enjoy the story? That was a good story, wasn't it? So I have these mirrors. And what happens when you look in a mirror? You see yourself, right? Let's see, can I see me? Oh, there I am. So I'm going to give you a mirror, and you're going to decorate it with gemstones and however you want, because this is going to be your mirror, so that when you look in it, you will see how special you are. Because look at yourself. No one has your eyes or nose or your ears or your mouth. Just you. So you are special. And on the back of your mirror, even though it's backwards on the video, it says, "Stay magical," which is what I want you to do. I want you to stay magical. So you come and get your mirror, decorate it up so that every time you look in it, you will see how special you are. Thanks for joining me today, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.